How's it going, everybody? Today we are at the Drury Island State Park in Prosperity, South Carolina, and we're going to be doing some geocaching and just exploring the area in general today. Also, not to mention, today we're going to be doing the drawing to see who our two winners are of the 200 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you stay to the end and watch that and find out who your winners are.
Oh, there he goes. Oh. Huh. Our quartz and smoky amethyst crystals that are like. I hate little pieces.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. feet. I didn't realize we were passing by it through here. Still says 300 feet, but Max enjoyed the jump. Come on, buddy. Oh no. I should follow the trail on around. Just to see. Ooh, closing in quick.
Right there.
Oh wow, someone raided it. Oh man. Oh. That wasn't nice. Come on, let's see if we can fix it up. Tip, a little bit of a tip there.
All right. All righty. Okay, cool. Leave a treasure.
Oh yeah, I found it. Oh, it got wet too. On the log. Oh wow.
Nice one.
This valley, this far in it.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
The bench was dedicated to the Eagle Scout project. So squared out, I wonder. Maybe that one. Forward. Closing in on it quick. Ooh, I got that spider web. Right on top of it.
You're on top of it?
Let's see, is this one right there? It's a regular. Small ammo box. Hope the big tree don't mess up your GPS reading.
Huh.
That's a big tree.
Oh, that's a mushroom. No, not yet. I seen a big red mushroom over here. And that is cool as all get out right there. But oh, that's a leaf, not even a mushroom. My bad. Wow, that is crazy. No, it's this one. Yeah.
Got a dry log book. The sun also rises. Cliff notes. Wow. What do we have? Look there. Prayer to Mary. Untie her of knots. I think we're gonna leave the potato chip out. Army man.
All right. Love on the soldiers. So go ahead and drop a one in.
All right.
Huh.
I think we'll leave two in this one. Because this one was challenging.
Huh, see what you got.
We'll leave this pretty little scepter here. Still got some natural dirt on it. And this little cluster.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Go ahead. Go ahead.
And this time we'll sign the log. Yeah, there's the one that's the old really green. You know, somebody put in on Google that don't go looking for the fireplace, it's not there. I had a feeling they weren't right. Some of it's rock. There's a few bricks. Old brick. Oh, neat. That's your iconic mushroom. Luna Mothwing. Nice. Oh, look at that squirrel. Yes, you don't see that squirrel, do you? Hey, Max. Come on. Come on. This way. Look. Oh. There you go. Come on. You didn't go the right way. I'm going. How you going to get up here?
Wow. It's like a shelter. You can even sit down under here. Wow. It's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Just even got a little bench.
Come on. Dang. You have to put it down the door.
It's not real bad of a trail.
No, not bad at all.
I mean, interesting.
Plenty of rocks to look at.
Yes, plenty of rocks to look at. All right, everybody, this is going to be for the 200 subscriber drawing. I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to let Lauren draw. And this will be for the prize number 1, which I packaged. I wrote number 1 and number 2 on them. So. All right. Oh, here. Grab one.
I think I got one.
Okay. Read it.
Yoda Bricks.
Yoda Bricks. Yoda Bricks is the winner of, let me say that because it's showing upside down, of the number 1 package. And number 2, let's see who our next winner chicken dinner. No chicken dinners. All right. You got it?
Make sure I only have one.
Yeah, only one.
Okay.
Okay.
Got one. Chad Austin.
All right. So our second winner of the second package, Chad Austin. So congratulations, and make sure that you get us your info at berryfamilyoutdoors@gmail.com so we can get this stuff mailed off to you. And we appreciate your support. Thank you.